Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys could hear me good because I have all the fans on and the AC units. So anyways, if you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, well, welcome back. So today I have an unboxing video for you guys, and it is for Boxycharm. I'm super excited that I finally got my box. So yeah, let's open it up. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 subscription box. I get it monthly, and they send you 4 to 5 full-size products of makeup or skincare, so it's really nice. Okay, so this is what my box looks like inside. I'm super excited. It's so pink. I love pink. Okay, so here is the card that comes with my Boxycharm, and this month's theme is totally Boxycharm. And in the back it has all the information of all the products that they sent me, and this time I got variation number 2. Okay, so let's start off with the first thing that I see here. So this time I got a Steve Laurent lip liner in the shade Vogue, and this is what my lip liner looks like. I'm guessing it's just a regular pencil liner. Here, let's open it up. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to be swatching it for you guys. Okay, this is a really pretty color. It's like a mauve pink. It's super pretty, so I'm super excited for this lip liner. I love lip liners. This Steve Laurent lip liner retails for $15. So that is so cool. I'm really happy with that. Okay, the next product that I see here is this Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's super pretty. I don't know, it kind of looks washed off, but this is what it looks like. So I'm super excited for this face product, and I really like the tip of this face oil. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's pink too. Okay, I really like that it's not super runny, so it won't drip out of the bottle. And that's what it looks like. It feels really nice. It feels refreshing. So it's just a clear oil. So that's really nice. This Wonder Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil retails for $42. Holy crap, that is a lot for this size bottle. But I'm super happy that I got it in my Boxycharm. Okay, the next product that I have here, it is a mascara from Tarte. It is the Big Ego Mascara. This is what the packaging looks like. So I'm super excited to try this product out because I love mascaras, and they sent me the black mascara, so I'm really happy with that. Okay, let's open it up to see what the little bottle looks like. Look at this, it's super pretty. It's really nice and pink. I just love the packaging of this mascara. It's like hot pink, like fluorescent pink. It's so pretty and I love it so much. So I'm super excited to use this. So like I said, I'm not going to open up the mascara to show you the wand because I do have other mascaras that I want to use first, but I'm super excited to use this. So this Tarte Big Ego Mascara retails for $23. That's really pricey for a mascara, at least for me. Okay, the next two products that I have here, it is from Ace Beauté, and I love Ace Beauté eyeshadows. And this time we got two little eyeshadows. I got the shades Huckleberry and French Vanilla. This is what they look like. I'm super happy that I got these. They look so pretty, and I love the little packaging. It's so cute. I'm going to open up Huckleberry and swatch it for you guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's so pretty. I'm going to be swatching it for you guys. Oh, this is so creamy. Look at that. It's so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see. That is so pretty. I'm super happy that I got this one. Let's see, and I also got the shade French Vanilla. I'm going to swatch it as well. Look at that. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that I got these shadows. I wanted the blue one, but I'm happy with these, the pink one and this silvery shade. Is so pretty and glittery. I can't wait to use those. Okay, so these Ace Beauté Glimmer Shadow Duo retails for $25. That is a lot for two little shadows. So the last product that I have here, it is from Becca, and they sent me the Hydro Mist Set and Refresh Powder. This is what the packaging looks like. So it looks like they sent me a Set and Chill, a loose refreshing powder that dusts on like a mist and sets perfect and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth finish. So let's open it up and check it out. Hopefully they sent me the right shade because I heard they were gonna send a dark shade and a light shade. Oh my gosh, I did get my light shade. I did get the right shade. So this is what the little packaging looks like. I'm super happy that I got this. So I did get the shade. I think the number of the shade is 9151D. I'm not sure. But this is what it looks like in the bottom. Keep me close to keep me cool. And then it has the seal right here. I'm going to open it up because I am planning on using this right away. I mean, not today, but you guys know what I mean. Whoa. Okay, I just opened it and it just like went everywhere. So I'm not gonna fully open it, but this is what it looks like. It's just a light powder. I'm gonna get some with my finger and I'm going to apply it right here. Whoa, that is so weird. It does have a cooling sensation. I feel like I put vapor up on my hand or something. Like it's that fresh. So it's just white powder. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like right here. And it feels really good on my skin. I'm so happy to try this. So this Becca Hydra Mist Refresher Powder retails for $39. Holy moly. So that's pretty cool. I love everything that I got in my box this month. Here, I'm going to tell you the value of this box.
What is $39 plus $42 plus $23 plus $25 plus $15?
So the value of this box is $144. So I'm super happy with my Boxycharm this month. Let me know in the comments below what you got, if you guys liked any of the items that I got. So yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my unboxing video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.